Welcome to your health channel, your home for great and important health tips. Welcome to our comprehensive discussion on indigestion and constipation, two prevalent gastrointestinal issues that affect millions of people worldwide. In this video, we'll explore the effects, causes, and treatment options for these conditions, offering insights to help you manage and alleviate discomfort. Let's dive in. Let's take a look at some of the effects of indigestion will have on your system. Discomfort and pain. Indigestion often manifests as discomfort and pain in the upper abdomen, stemming from excess stomach acid irritating the digestive tract lining. Heartburn and acid reflux. Indigestion frequently leads to heartburn, characterized by a burning sensation in the chest. Nausea and bloating. Indigestion commonly triggers feelings of nausea and bloating, resulting from delayed gastric emptying and gas accumulation in the digestive system. Sleep disturbances. Severe indigestion symptoms such as pain and discomfort can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to insomnia or fragmented sleep. Nutritional deficiencies. Prolonged indigestion may hinder nutrient absorption, leading to deficiencies in essential vitamins and minerals which can compromise overall. Complications. Persistent indigestion left untreated may result in complications such as peptic ulcers, gastritis, or esophageal strictures. Before we continue to causes, treatment and prevention, please hit the subscribe, like and notification buttons. Many thanks for subscribing to this channel. Next, let's take a look at some of the causes of indigestion. Dietary factors. Consuming spicy, fatty or acidic foods as well as excessive caffeine or alcohol can trigger indigestion by irritating the stomach lining and disrupting digestion. These dietary choices contribute to increased stomach acid production. Stress and anxiety. Emotional stress and anxiety disrupt digestive processes, leading to heightened stomach acid production and delayed gastric emptying. Medications. Certain medications, including non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, antibiotics, and antidepressants, can irritate the stomach lining and contribute to indigestion. Long-term use of these medications may disrupt digestive function and exacerbate symptoms. Obesity. Excess weight increases pressure on the stomach, contributing to indigestion symptoms such as heartburn and bloating. Pregnancy. Hormonal changes and increased abdominal pressure during pregnancy can lead to indigestion symptoms such as heartburn and bloating. Eating habits. Eating too quickly, overeating, or consuming large meals late at night can overwhelm the digestive system and trigger indigestion. Food intolerances. Individuals with food intolerances or sensitivities, such as lactose intolerance or gluten sensitivity, may experience indigestion symptoms after consuming trigger foods. Identifying and avoiding these trigger foods can help minimize digestive discomfort and improve overall well-being. For treatment, prevention, and avoidance of indigestion, please take some of the following actions regularly. Adopting healthy eating habits such as consuming smaller, more frequent meals, avoiding large meals, mindful eating practices such as chewing food thoroughly before you swallow. Also, eating slowly and mindfully, avoiding lying down immediately after meals, can also promote better digestion. Stress management. Practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation or yoga can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, improving digestive function and minimizing indigestion symptoms. Dietary supplements. Some individuals may benefit from dietary supplements such as probiotics, digestive enzymes, or herbal remedies, which can support digestive health and alleviate indigestion symptoms. Weight management. Losing excess weight through a combination of diet and exercise can reduce pressure on the stomach and improve indigestion symptoms, especially for individuals who are overweight or obese. Avoidance of trigger factors. Identifying and avoiding trigger factors such as certain foods, medications, or lifestyle habits can help prevent indigestion episodes and minimize symptom recurrence. Maintain a healthy diet. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Avoid eating late at night if unavoidable. Eat light meals at night. Avoiding processed foods and excessive intake of dairy and meat products may also help regulate digestion. Incorporating probiotics and prebiotics into the diet can help restore gut flora balance and support digestive health. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is essential for softening stool and facilitating bowel movements. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, as dehydration can contribute to constipation. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity stimulates intestinal muscles, promoting bowel regularity and preventing constipation. Incorporate activities like walking, jogging, swimming, or yoga into your daily routine to support digestive health. Establish regular bathroom habits. Set aside time each day for a bowel movement, preferably after meals or when your body signals the need to go. Never hesitate to use toilet when pressed. Ignoring the urge to defecate can lead to stool hardening and constipation. Avoid laxative abuse. While laxatives can provide temporary relief from constipation, overuse can lead to dependency and worsen bowel function over time. Use laxatives sparingly and consult a healthcare professional for guidance on their appropriate use. If you experience constipation while taking medications, consult your healthcare provider for alternative options or management strategies. Seek prompt medical attention. If you experience persistent or severe constipation despite lifestyle modifications and over-the-counter remedies, seek medical evaluation from a healthcare professional. Thank you for joining us in exploring the effects, causes, treatment options, and preventive measures for indigestion and constipation. By understanding these common gastrointestinal issues and implementing proactive strategies, you can take control of your digestive health and improve your overall well-being. Remember to consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance and support. Stay informed, stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.